getting your employees back into the office doesn't have to be grueling work, and these are just some tips and things that you can look at. Try and make it a collaborative process when you are bringing employees back into the workplace. Involve those that it is going to impact. Think about the legal obligations that you'll need to review, and be open and honest with the teams around what you are doing and how you are doing it. And do bear in mind that there is new legislation on carers leave and flexible working that is protective of people in those situations. Create a culture of convenience for the teams that you have. You might want to introduce incentives and initiatives that really help lighten personal burdens and make people understand that, and make people see that you understand that their outside life really is important to you. And an example here is there are places where they've introduced free dinners that you can take home, so that you don't have to cook for your family that evening. You know, it's an extreme one potentially, but just some ideas that are out there. Think about, could you organise events, whether that's regular events or coincide with national awareness days and weeks with things like mental health awareness, and it really helps celebrate team success and bring them all together.